Look, Ma, no hands. Okay, this next section is concerning managed services by algorithm. You've heard all about Guardian. You've heard about Guardian Plus and Guardian Gold and all the crazy Guardians that are out there. We love them. However, this next section is even bigger than Guardian. Managed services. Managed services encompass quite a lot of things. As you can see, Guardian does too. Managed services, algorithm managed services, go a little bit further. Not only, say you had Guardian Gold, not only do we do the things that Guardian Gold performs, but we go a step further. We manage those things that aren't alerts. We manage servers. We manage patches. We manage backups. We manage antivirus. We allow your IT people to focus on high dollar value items, such as Exchange server upgrades and infrastructure improvements. Managed services by algorithm also covers all of the exact product functions, such as database cleaning, purging on your database, SQL Server integrity checks, training. We will provide WebEx training for new users. And along with the regular Guardian Plus options, such as 40% discount on algorithm network services, there is a reduced hourly rate for services outside the scope of exact software products. So algorithm managed services, they actually allow you to gain technology and grow your IT presence without actually hiring someone. If you were on the fence, hiring someone, algorithm managed services may very well be the next step for you before hiring a new employee. Algorithm managed services, we always implement the best practice IT delivery. We maximize the usage of your own technical resources and focus your staff on higher level support. That gives us the ability to deliver 24/7 IT services without that 24/7 IT cost. Here are some of the benefits in a nutshell. Software is always kept up to date. Your internal team's freed, as we had talked about. It improves performance by ensuring that the databases are tipped up. Proactive management of your systems as opposed to reactive management. You have access to the people that know Macola and Exact products the best, us. We do things like updates and server moves and disaster recovery. Hot fixes and progression updates, things like that are included with this. You're assured that the backups are always in working order, and restorations are performed on a regular basis to verify those backups. And then this is kind of a neat feature, and our owner, Mike Oswald, he likes to use the phrase "one throat to choke," and that's the case. You have one place to go for all your needs. You use the algorithm help desk. You actually contact the help desk with any problem, and the right person is called into action to fix that particular problem. One called algorithm. Only one call is necessary. The next section, and again, if you have any questions about algorithm managed services, please feel free to chat us or to contact us after the webinar. Next section is, again, by me. Take another little piece of my heart. I would sing that, however, you really don't want to hear that. This is our new division, Algorithm Hosted Services. Algorithm Hosted Services. We're really excited about this. There are so many advantages to having your server hosted by us. We are the experts. We manage servers on a regular basis. We know what it takes to make Macola work correctly. We know what it takes to run SAP. We are the experts. Some of the benefits of having your server hosted at our data center: cost savings, freedom, predictable scalability, less hassle, faster implementation, and access anywhere. I'm going to just touch on a few points. Cost savings: you have lower IT costs. By having us do it, we are the ones in charge of your hardware. We are the ones that are managing your entire platform. All you have to do is log in. That's it. Freedom: you're not stuck with one solution. This is not something we like to tout very highly because we think you're going to be a customer for life. However, if for some reason you decide that a different platform is for you, you have no long-term commitments. You have not spent $20,000 on a new server that you have to recoup the costs on. You are hosting your products, and we are the ones that manage that. You log in, that's all there is. Predictable scalability. Each user is a resource that is required on a server. By having servers that are easily scaled, as you add users, we can add resources to that server. Say you go on a hiring binge and you hire 10 new employees. We have the resources necessary to give you seamlessly a server with adequate resources. This is excellent because you're charged a user fee, not a device fee when you host. So they're predictable each month. You know if in 6 months you're going to hire 10 people, you can somewhat gauge what your costs are going to be for infrastructure. Less hassle, mischief managed. We do the heavy lifting. We do all the work. We do the upgrades, the backups, the monitoring and maintenance. This is all us. You log in and that's it. Very, very easy. Faster implementation. We'd like to consider IT services as a commodity. Flip a light switch and it just works. And I think the industry is going that direction. Cloud servers, which we use for our hosted environment, are part of that setup. Cloud servers are a monthly subscription fee as opposed to a capital expenditure. So there's really no purchasing or POs required, no installation or setup woes. We just make it work. You log in, that's it. And lastly, there is easy access from anywhere. Because it's hosted in our data centers, we have two. We use Chicago and we use Dallas. You and your remote employees have easy access to all your products, be it Macola, SAP, possibly even Exchange. We can excellently host your email service. This provides increased productivity for your employees that are on the road and working from home. And most people then have a finger on the pulse of the company. So they're able to react faster to changing business needs by always having access to your business systems. You log in, that's it. So, hosted services by algorithm. We have products in place for hosted Macola and hosted SAP. Low monthly fees, only paid by the user. Please contact us again for any details, and if you have any questions, please chat them in at the end of the session or contact us directly. We'd love to talk about it. It's really, it's kind of a cool new division for us. Just log in. That's it.